Hey guys, today we're going to be making shrimp and bake, so let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm showing you how to make is the flour mixture to dredge the chicken in. So I have flour in the bowl and I added a little bit of cornstarch, not too much at all. And then I'm going to season up the flour mixture a little bit with some Old Bay seasoning, some paprika, some garlic powder, onion powder. I also added in some black pepper and a little bit of salt, and you're going to mix the seasonings into the flour and the cornstarch really well until it's well combined. Set it aside. Okay guys, so next in a separate bowl I'm going to beat a few eggs together, and this is going to be what I'm going to dip the shrimp in before I dip it into the flour. So this is going to be my wet batter. Next I have my shrimp here, and I'm just going to clean the shrimp, remove the shell, the vein, and so on, wash it, and then I'm gonna season up the shrimp a little bit using the same seasonings I used for the flour mixture earlier in the video. Okay, so I'm gonna use some Old Bay seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and paprika to season up the shrimp a little bit. Okay, so now that I have the wet batter and my flour mixture ready, I'm gonna take my shrimp and I'm gonna dip each piece of the shrimp into the egg mixture, and then I'm gonna coat it with the flour mixture really well. Okay, shake off the extra flour from the shrimp, and you're gonna do this to each piece of the shrimp, and then we're gonna get ready to fry them up. So I got my frying pan over medium-high heat, and I'm gonna add the shrimp into the pot once it's nice and hot. All right, once the pot is hot, and you add in some oil, add enough oil to fry the shrimp really well, and you're just gonna place the shrimps in the pot and fry them on both sides until they're nice and golden brown. You want it to get a nice golden brown color. Then you're gonna remove it from the oil and place it on a plate lined with paper towel so that the extra oil can drip. So now I'm making my fried bakes. So I'm not showing you guys the full tutorial on how to make the bakes here because I already have a video up on my channel on how to make it. I have a few videos, so I'll link it down below for you guys. All right, so you want to fry up your bakes nice and puffy, and then we'll move on. Alright guys, so now I'm making a sauce to go with my bake and shrimp. So I'm making a spicy mayo sauce. So I'm adding some mayonnaise in a bowl, and I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper. I didn't want my sauce to be too spicy, so I didn't add much. Add as much as you'd like. If you want your sauce to be extra spicy, then add more than I did. And then next I'm gonna add some sriracha. Okay, and then you're gonna mix that really well until it's creamy and well combined. So for the recipe for this, I pretty much eyeball it, but I'll link down below the measurements that I use for you guys, and you can adjust the hot sauce as needed for this recipe. Okay guys, and now all that's left to do is to put our fried bake and shrimp together. So I'm gonna slice open my bakes, and then I'm gonna put some of the sauce on the bakes. Then I'm gonna add my fried shrimp. Okay, you could add some lettuce, a slice of tomatoes in there, then put the shrimp on top of it. Okay, and you add as much sauce and shrimp as you'd like, and any other favorite toppings that you'd like to add here, you can go ahead and add it, and enjoy your shrimp and fried bakes. So simple, so easy, and so delicious. So that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.